Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up your alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. To do this, we swipe up and we go to the clock. And here we can see the alarm, and we can see there are two alarms set up already. So the first alarm, we can see when we look at it, it's the alarm will go on 6 a.m. on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, but not on Saturday and on Sunday. I can also click on it and change something. I can change, of course, when it will start, perhaps 8 a.m. I can change the alarm sound. At the moment it's jam jam. I can change it to Mozart Sonata. Yeah, this clings nice. And I can also change it to Spotify, to my favorite song. So okay, everything's fine. I can change the vibration and I can change the snooze. And then when I'm ready, I can click on save and everything is ready now. The second alarm clock will start on Saturday and Sunday on 10:10 a.m. And also I want to sleep longer, 11:10. Okay, Saturday, Sunday. And I can change the song to kindergarten. That sounds great. Again, back, and then I click on save, and then I have the alarm set for my days and everything's fine. Yes, this is how you set up your alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.